Hello, my name is DJ.HAN. Now, I show you represent method of scrivener bug. First, open System Preferences and going to Language and Text. Select Input Sources tab and then select Hangul to set Korean. Then you can see Taeguk logo upper right and then select to set Korean input method and then Hangul input method preferences. Going to editing tab and select input by word and delete by 자소. OK. Close it. Close it. And open Scrivener, my favorite word process. It's my novel. I read as Korean because I'm Korean. Yes. And then now I show Korean input method. Select to set Korean and text and input Korean. You can see on now you see this line under the character. This character was not built up yet. If you hit space or return, character or word was completed. If Hangul word wasn't built up, then you can delete by 자소. And in format option, I open typewriter scrolling. Then I'll input long word in middle of document. Repeatedly S and K, then it's na as Korean. So you can see underline of this word. It wasn't built up. Then I hit delete key. No problem. Word was deleted. Then remember, if character or word have an underline, this character or word wasn't built up yet in Hangul input method. You hit or return, character or word was built up. Okay. Then in format options, I check on typewriter scrolling. Okay. And middle of text, and in middle of text, I input long Korean word. Okay. Two line. In the edge, this long word was over the edge. Then I hit delete key. cursor wasn't moved. Nothing was changed. Only solution is quit scrivener. Yes. Then reopen it. My text was disappear. Shit. Well, can you see it?